Hello students, today we will be taking our online class on chapter 1 and chapter 2 from second semester textbook. It will be on your Tulips textbook on page 288. Let's start reading together. Chapter 1. My India. Famous Indian woman. From being India's poet laureates to freedom fighters and political figures. Women in India have made their mark across domains. Defense was a field where women were considered unfit, as it was mostly a male-dominated profession. However, in recent times, we have seen the emergence of high-ranking women officers who also fly fighter planes. So I want you all to underline the 9 given spellings in your textbook and write them down in your GK notebook itself. In this chapter, we will be learning the names of famous Indian women who played an active role, maybe in the games and sports, or in the national level, maybe in political terms, or those people who wrote books and who are known as authors. So we will be learning women from different personalities and from different professions or from different works or jobs. Question number 1. Let us now test your knowledge about Indian women achievers. Number A. Who was India's first woman IPS officer? Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi was India's first woman IPS officer. Question number B. Name the Manipuri woman boxer who is a 5-time world amateur boxing champion. She was also awarded the Padma Bhushan in the year 2013. So the answer is Mary Kom. Question number C. Who among the following women have held the post as the President of the Indian National Congress? The answer is Sonia Gandhi. D. Who was the first Indian woman to win a medal in badminton at the Olympics? Saina Nehwal. Question number E. Who was the first woman president of India? Pratibha Patil. Question number 2. Quiz time. Question number A. Who was the founder of the Narmada Bachao Andolan? Medha Patkar. Medha Patkar. Question number B. Who won 5 consecutive World Boxing Championships? The answer is Mary Kom. Mary Kom. Question number C. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? The answer is Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal. Question number D. Which Indian author wrote the book The God of Small Things? Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy. Question number E. Who was the first Indian woman to get the Nobel Peace Prize? Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. Chapter 2 on page 290. Animals. Animal feed. There are different names given to the feet of different animals. Some are called paws. Paws. Some are called hooves. Hooves. And so on. Each animal has its own distinctive pockmark. Pockmark or footprint. Footprint. And experts can look at a pockmark and determine a lot of things about the animal, including its species and age. Birds, such as ducks, geese, swans, and some kinds of penguins, have webbed feet. Webbed feet. Aquatic frogs and the platypus also possesses webbed feet. This kind of feet helps the birds and the animals to swim or paddle through water. Animals are either plantigrade, that means creatures that walk on the soles of their feet, like people, bears, baboons, alligators, and frogs. And digitigrade means creatures that walk on their toes, like dogs, cats, and birds. So in this chapter, you will be learning the names of different kinds of animals' feet and what they are called. 1. Let us test your knowledge about the various kinds of animal feet. A. Which creature has 8 legs and traps its foot in webs? Spider. Spider. B. Which animal's foot is considered to be a good luck charm? Rabbit. Rabbit. The arms of an octopus are also known as tentacles. Tentacles. D. Butterflies taste nectar with their feet. F-E-E-T, feet. Question number E. The ostrich has only 4 toes. 4 toes. Question number 2. I want you all to write it exactly as I did. Do not draw lines. However, write the answers near or besides the question itself, like I did. Eagle, talon. Duck, paw. Horse, hoof. Fish, fins. Seal, paddle. Write it exactly like this. Question number 3. Quiz time. A. What do you call the ironclad shoe on a horse feet? Horseshoe. Horseshoe. Question number B. Cats have claws. True. C. Dogs walk on their toes. True. Question number D. Centipede means 100 legs. Centipede. Question number E. The feet of elephants are covered in a soft padding. True. Now all you have to do is write down all the questions and answers in the textbook itself and mark the spellings which are in colored words with serial numbers and write them down in your GK notebook and learn each and every questions and answers. Each and every questions will be important for your final exams.